How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 not turning on. Of course, there's multiple ways to fix this, and the number one way is to perform an easy or embedded controller reset. So you simply want to disconnect everything. You want to unplug the power adapter, your external monitors, mice, and any USB accessories. From there, you then want to simply hold the power button for at least 40 to 60 seconds, and you want to go ahead and keep holding it even if the keyboard light blinks. From there, we then want to plug in and boot the computer, plug the original Asus barrel pin charger back into it. Do not use a USB-C charger for this step, and let it sit for around 2 minutes, then press the power button normally. Now, as a note, the first boot after easy reset can take up to 2 to 3 minutes as the system recalibrates, so you want to go ahead and be patient. From there, you also want to simply check some LED status light. No light at all means the battery might be completely dead, so you want to leave the laptop plugged in from the official power brick for at least 30 minutes before trying it to power it again. Now, a solid or blinking white or orange light, this only means that the motherboard has power, but the system is failing to pass its initial check. So you want to go ahead and check the official guided steps for the screen failures. Now, you also want to reset some internal components if the previous step did not fix the problem. You want to unplug the battery, drain the remaining power, and you want to try to reset the RAM. And so from there, you should be able to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.